Hello, good day folks. This is Sijesh here. This video I will walk you through the installation, configuration and testing of Knox. So Knox, it's like a security and it provide a perimeter security to Hadoop infrastructure. So you can block all the ports and open only Knox port so that every user or service can connect the Hadoop components via Knox. So here I'm going to install the Knox. So I have a single node Hadoop cluster and which is installed HTTP 2.6.3 and Ambari version is HTTP 2.60. And this is my cluster and I have only a single node instance running. And I'm adding this one, add service, and here, so I can select the Knox service. Here it's right. So select that service, continue. And if you are using multi-node instance, so install the Knox instance on the gateway node or the node which is open to the users. So in my case I have only single node instance, so I selected the master itself as Knox gateway. So continue. Then that's it, customizing. So I'm not making any changes at this time. So master secret password, so I'm setting some password here, and which is a mandatory step, then only I will be able to proceed further. Just make a note of this entry, Knox master secret password, which I have given here. So then next, so the installation is pretty simple. So just add this from add service wizard, then deploy. So it takes some time to finish this installation. Okay, so you can see the status by clicking here and see the status, how it's progressing. So it's using a yum install Knox, so we'll have to wait some time to finish this installation. So the installation has completed. Next. Okay, so that's it. So that's it about the installation. So we have completed the plain installation of Knox. Then the next part is the configuration. So we'll have to make some configuration changes in its settings. So these are the files which you may need to do this advanced topology, and so where we can set, okay, so which authentication mechanism we want to use, right, and what are the services we can connect. So by default it's using its own demo LDAP service, so we can start that for this testing purpose. So for certification and all, so you just need to install the Knox, then you have to validate it. So the validation script they may provide. So as I said, so we can integrate the Knox with external Active Directory, LDAP, etc. But for our testing purpose, so we can use this demo LDAP service. So by default the Knox is integrated with this demo LDAP, so we can start this demo LDAP service. So this will start a demo LDAP service here. So once that is started, okay, so I think this is started, right. So we can do testing with the sample users provided here. So if you want to get the users they used here, so you can just go to this advanced users -LDIF. So here okay, so that comes under Knox configuration, advanced configuration, then use this option, so users -LDIF. So this file contains the list of users, and So the one user they have defined here is like so you can get the user's username and password, the Sam, then its password is the Sam, then another user is Tom and its password is Tom hyphen password, and another user is the guest and his password is the guest hyphen password. So you can use these users for your testing purpose, and you can go through this and find out the username and password. And the next step is to do the evaluation. Just use this URL curl -iv k u. So this is the username and this is the password, then https:// IP address of the host where you have installed the Knox, then 8443 is the Knox port, and this is the URL which we use for accessing web HDFS. And so we are just listing the contents under the /user directory, and the operation is the list status. So we can do the listing, creating the files, copying the files, removing the files, etc. So based on that web HDFS command, the same thing will work here. So only thing difference is that some part of the URL is different. So execute this thing, and so the first part you can see some messages, and here is the result. So open the JSON lint and view it in a formatted way. Just use JSON lint and whatever the copied thing, paste it here and do validate. Okay, so that is just printing in a well formatted way, and it's saying about 2 directories. Okay, so this is the one and this is another one. Okay, so 2 directories, right? The same thing I can get from here, like so HDFS DFS ls/user, and it will be listing the 2 directories and who are owned by these users, like these 2. So Ambari-QA and this user, right? So this is the one, and this is the another one. So similarly we can test with other applications also. So make sure that is integrated with this Knox. So for our testing purpose, though, this is more than enough. So just do the installation by using add wizard, then finish that and make sure it's completed without any error. Then start this LDAP from here, service action, start demo LDAP, and find out the users. Okay, so what are the LDAP users they have given? So advanced users LD function file, and here you can see the list of users, like so what are the users they used? Okay, admin, then Sam and the Sam. Okay, so we will try this some other users, Sam and the Sam password. So that's also working. So if I use something I don't know the password, like A B C D or anything, so it will not work because that user should be available in this LDAP. See, this is saying okay, connection lost. So this you can use only the users which are defined inside this users LD file. So that's it about the simple installation and configuration and testing of Knox. Okay, so I hope you are able to follow me. So if you have any questions, please use the comment box. So also subscribe to my channel to get more notification over time. So I will be uploading more contents in near future. Thank you. Bye.